welcome back to another video. My name is Natasha and today I'm coming back with another Lego review for this Guardians of the Galaxy Alesha's Revenge. She must be pretty mad. She wants revenge. So let's get started reviewing this thing. That was weird. This set is for ages 7 to 14. It has 323 pieces. And it comes with 4 minifigures and 2 vehicles. The 4 minifigures are Alesha, Yondu, Star-Lord, and Baby Groot. So let's talk about the fun factor. This set has 4 minifigures and 2 vehicles, but the vehicles are kind of small. This one looks like the pieces are gonna fall off and it doesn't have any cool features. This one is cooler though. It has like this opening where you can put the minifigures in, but you can't really fit them in there. It's hard to get them in there. And then we have these like opening wings. These are really cool. I like the design. And then the coolest part about this is the gun. It didn't work.
We call that a dud. We gotta let go real quick.
Wait, okay, I got this, guys.
Oh, I don't know why it's not working that well.
Here, you try.
Ooh, there you go.
That one worked. That's why they give you an extra. And then they have this really cool, this is my favorite part out of the whole thing, because look, that little thing, that was would be. It shoots further that, okay? Hold on. Watch, just watch. I'm kind of getting embarrassed right now. Too far. That's what I'm talking about.
So what's your fun factor rating?
My fun factor rating of this set is numero 8. So the value on this set, it costs $29.99. I think that's a little bit much for this set. Because like, you only get 2 vehicles and they're pretty small. But I really like this one. But I really like this one because it's cool. It has really cool features. And I give that a 6. But on Amazon, it costs $23, and I give that a 10 because that's probably more worth this set than $29.99. So 6.
Well, at $23.99, how much?
Oh, 10. 10's my number.
So your value on Amazon Prime
is 10, and then my value for $29.99 is 6. If you like Guardians of the Galaxy, then this set is worth getting. But if you want to save yourself some cash, then go and get it on Amazon Prime. My name is Natasha Joy Glenn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Let's get this video 10 likes.